Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I love Stitch Fix. I say that all the time. So I've already tried everything on. I've actually already purchased from the app what I want to keep because, as I said in my fashion video, I've been a little under the weather. Today is no different. I just had a sneezing attack and had mascara run down my face. So here we are now. We're going to try this again. I think everyone's getting sick around this time of year where I live anyways, because like during the day it's like 70 degrees and then at night it's like 20. So it's like back and forth, and I think that's why I just can't shake this. All right, so I'm not sure what fix number this is. Actually, they might tell me. Number 22. Okay. Yeah, fix number 22. My stylist is Jamie, and she mentions in her like little note that they write to you that she did check out my Pinterest, and that's why she sent some of these things. Also, in this box, I got a couple of extras. So extras on Stitch Fix are like bras, panties, camis, socks, pajamas, that sort of thing. It's the same deal. You add it into your box as an extra. So your 5 items will ship, and then whatever extras you want. And if you want to keep them, you pay for them. If you don't, you send them back. The same deal. All right, so let's start with the clothes, and then we'll get into the extras. The first thing are these boots. How cute, right? This is the brand Report. These are in a size 9.5, and they're like a taupe color. More brown, I guess, than gray. I love this like natural colored heel on them. These fit phenomenal. The 9.5 fits perfect for me. They are a little bit high in my liking, like the zipper up the back, almost like when you walk, touches that part right above your heel, and like I could see it rubbing it raw almost. I absolutely love these. They're called the Martin Faux Suede Zip Booty. They call the color gray. 9.5, 60 bucks. I think it's more brown than gray for sure. I like them. Okay, so I didn't keep these, and here's why. Someone in the comment section of one of my videos, I don't remember which one, maybe Trunk Club recently, they made a comment that said, if you just wait a couple months, every boot you could ever want would be on sale. And that like hit me because I was like, you know what? You're right. Every boot, like once we transition into spring and then summer, every boot will be on sale. And that's where I got a majority of my boots. Last summer, I hit a sale that was like buy one, get one free of already clearance items at this store in town. And I got like, 5 pair of boots. So that's why I chose not to keep these. Plus, as I've mentioned before, I do own several pair of boots. I like them. They fit great. I have nothing negative to say about them. I just don't need them right now. The next 3 items Jamie suggested pairing together as an outfit. So I'll show you what they are. It's this pair of olive green, Just Black is the brand jeans. They're semi-skinny. They're not like super skinny at the ankle. They have no distressing on them. No cargo effect, like none of that stuff. They're just a plain olive jean. These fit great too. I did say they were a size 20, right? They fit so good. She said she sent these too because she noticed on my Pinterest page or my Pinterest board that I linked them, I put a bunch of olive jeans on there. So I do like them. Let's talk about how much they are because I don't even know. I want to say, if I'm remembering correctly, these were a little bit pricey. So these are called the Ada Skinny Jean. The color is olive, and they're $88. And the top she suggested pairing with those jeans is this like pink, like dark pink colored Cupio woman, size 2X. Look at that tag. Could you get a more annoying tag? Like if you ever thought a shirt was going to scratch the back of your neck or your back where it sits, this is it. It's cute, but I'm telling you, like it's itchy. This is like a very soft but like clingy type shirt. The pocket is an actual pocket. It fits great, but I don't tend to gravitate toward like, okay, who am I kidding? I do like it, but I don't like things that are snug. This top is called the Branson Pocket Detail Knit Top. They call the color Blush. 28 bucks. That's not bad. And the last thing she suggested for that outfit is this cardigan. It has a hoodie, like a hood on it. I love that. I absolutely love it. It's like a taupey gray color. It's super long. It's thin though. It's not going to keep you warm. Like maybe if it's a little bit of a windy day, but it's not going to like give you any warmth because it's not thick at all. This is from the brand Layla Jade in a size 2X. It's called the Molly Hooded Open Cardigan. The color is light gray. This also fit great, and I really like that in her comments, or like her suggestion to me, was pair this outfit together with those booties, because I think it was a really cute outfit. This cardigan is $58. So it's a pretty pricey outfit. I didn't end up keeping any of it because the jeans are almost that light color that I feel like you can see every like lump and bump on your backside and your legs. I do love the color and they fit great. I just don't need them right now. I have an entire like lower closet of bottoms and I need to just get it under control. The pink Cupio or Cupio, however you say it, top I like, but as I mentioned, I don't really like the clingy things, so that's going back. The cardigan I don't need. I've mentioned so many times in videos that I like cardigans, like thick, chunky cardigans for winter, but I don't really wear them because it doesn't get that cold here. This kind, I think the length of it would just bother me. Like I would feel like it would fly in the wind or it would get caught in my door, or, you know, like... Plus, I don't need it. I like it. I just don't need it. And the last piece of clothing before we get to the extras is this beautiful, like, navy floral top. Here we go. It has 3/4 length sleeves that tie. It's very flattering. I feel like with the color, like the dark color, it doesn't really have a shape to it. So it kind of just sits on my body, but it fits good. This is from the brand Paper Moon. It's in a size 2X. It's called the Andress Tie Sleeve Knit Top. They call the color navy. This is very summery to me for some reason. I picture it with like skinny jeans and sandals. I guess the floral like reminds me of like Hawaii. Like you're going on a tropical vacation. This top is $48. So the overall cost of my box was not that much. I guess when you add it all up, it's a little bit pricey, but for a pair of boots for $60, a top for $28, I feel like the prices are good, and for my budget, the total is $282. If you buy everything, you get a 25% discount. That takes $70.50 off my total. So then they add in the extras. So now let's talk about what I chose to add into this box. First thing is a pair of socks, or a lot of socks, I guess. This is the Everyday by Stitch Fix ankle socks, one size, fit size 5 to 10. And you can pick what like patterns and stuff you want. So it's like a blush and white polka dot. We've got gray and mint stripes, and then this black and white pattern here. These are $12 for 3 pair of socks. They're soft. I didn't try them on because I'm not going to keep them. Okay, so I put them in my box because I thought I needed a lot of socks. I'm working out a lot, that kind of thing. But then when they actually arrived, I was like, I just got like 15 pair of socks for Christmas. Like these kind of socks, not this brand, but ankle socks just like this. For some reference, it says 98% polyester, 2% spandex. Okay, so these are $12, and then I got one more thing. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this. These pajamas, this like red and white polka dot with like navy detail. These fit great. This is, let's see if they have a brand. It's called Seeing Stars, size 2X. Just, they call it Printed PJ Set in Burgundy. I believe they are $48, but it's a long sleeve button up collared top with these pants that have elastic in the waist and a little tie on them. These fit so good, and they're so soft. I got a pair of pajamas, or Brian and I ordered matching pajamas for Christmas to wear from Target, and not knocking them, they fit great, but they're just almost that like papery type material. Like they weren't super soft. I even washed them, and then they still weren't super soft, but these... I love matching pajama sets. Okay, so out of this entire box, I chose to keep the pajamas because I can always use cute matching pajamas. It just makes me feel like really cute walking around the house in like my matching PJs, like I have my life together, you know? So I did get these. Whatever you buy, you get your styling fee credited towards. It's $20. So 48 minus $20 would be $28. And so I kept these. I really like them. Everything else will go back. And I did leave a note, or whenever you choose to return things or keep things, Stitch Fix asks you to specifically list why. That way in your next box they can say, we sent you this because of this reason that you said. So I did do that. And I did tell Jamie, to my stylist, like, listen, you did a great job. Like, you did a great job. I just don't really need these things right now. So I think for my next box, I'll be more specific instead of asking for booties or like winter type things. I think I may kind of transition my wants into more of like a spring box, because here, like January and maybe February, it's cold, and then you start to warm up. So yeah, that's a wrap on this video. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, I will leave a direct link to sign up down below. If you are watching this on Thursday, January 31st, which is the day that I am filming it, today is the last day to cash in. If you've never tried Stitch Fix before and you want to, Stitch Fix is doing a deal where they'll give new members $25 for free. So that means no styling fee of $20, and then you get $5 credited toward your first purchase in your first box. So I'll leave that link down below, and then I'll leave a regular link, unless it's all the same link. Anyway, just read the description box if you're interested. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm heading now to a hair appointment, and I'm hoping she'll let me vlog. It looks great in this light. Like, let's be honest. I love this, like the color of my hair in this light. But you can kind of see, like, this up here obviously is all natural. So all natural until about here, and then you've got some blonde. So I think what we're going to do is just blend this a little better and make it a little darker, you know, so where it all matches the roots. And then I want to put some blonde around my face. But that's another video. If she'll let me vlog, you will see that in another video. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.